Attention! This is the activation of the Amber Alert system. We have just received this important information regarding an abducted child in Kent, Washington, King County. Auburn Police Department is looking for a child who was last seen at the following address: 24628 101st Street, Place, Southeast Kent. She's believed to be in danger. The child's name is Aliano J. Wilson. She is a 14-month-old black female with black hair and brown eyes. She's believed to be 2 feet tall, weighing 27 pounds. She was last seen wearing a pink coat and pajamas. Authorities say the child may be in the company of Alejandro C. Wilson. He is a 37-year-old black male with black hair and brown eyes. He is believed to be 5 feet and 9 inches tall, weighing 140 pounds. He was last seen wearing a black zip-up jacket and black sweatpants. They may be traveling in a 2004 tan Chevrolet Tahoe with Washington's license plates number AXS680. The vehicle may be towing a 5-foot by 8-foot U-Haul trailer with Florida license plate GCI448. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact authorities at the following number: area code 253-931-3080 immediately.